वेरी गुड इवनिंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू. दिस इज़ नेहा बवेजा. आज बात करेंगे रिगार्डिंग द एजिंग विच इज़ वेरी मच अ नेचुरल प्रोसेस. आपकी बॉडी में चेंजेस आना, आपके हॉर्मोन्स में चेंजेस आना, आपके फिज़िकल स्ट्रक्चर में चेंजेस आना, आपकी लुक्स में चेंजेस आना, आपके माइंडसेट में चेंजेस आना, आपके मैच्योरिटी लेवल्स में चेंजेस आना. विद द एज all these things are going to happen naturally. You're not going to only uh, feel afraid of getting older, but the main concern is that you should be able to manage these changes in a holistic manner, that you can keep yourself physically fit, you can keep yourself mentally strong, and at the same time you can keep yourself with a positive mindset. It is not always required to reverse aging, but it is actually very much important to feel these changes, to embrace these changes in such a beautiful fashion that what all major issues which other people are facing because of the age, you can really work upon your lifestyle in such a manner that you can be strong enough to avoid those symptoms, and you can really um, tackle these changes so beautifully and can act with such a strong behavior. You should be grateful enough that you can manage these changes very easily. सबसे पहले it is very important to understand, if you want to be physically strong, you need to eat healthy, you need to eat good food, you need to eat clean food. Secondly, not only the diet, physically you need to be in an active state, so that a lot of muscular changes which are happening, because muscle loss obviously happens with age, आपके bones weak होते हैं. So if you are doing such kind of activity that you work upon your strength, you can work upon your muscles, then it becomes a bit easier for you to survive longer with less of the side effects due to the age. इसके साथ साथ फिज़िकली स्ट्रॉन्ग होने के साथ साथ मेंटली साउंड, मेंटली स्ट्रॉन्ग होना भी ज़रूरी है. People should really understand this, that we have to work upon our minds and the attitude as well, which is again of a prime importance. आपको internally इतना strong होना ज़रूरी है that you can ignore the negative things around you and can survive with a positive mindset. रेगुलर फिज़िकल एक्टिविटी के साथ साथ डेफिनेटली अपने माइंड पे वर्क करने के लिए मेडिटेशन इज़ समथिंग विच इज़ रियली गोइंग टू हेल्प यू अ लॉट. एंड आई थिंक वन शुड बी रियली ग्रेटफुल, one should be really thankful to God that they are able to get older, because there are a lot of people who really don't get such kind of opportunity these days to see the old age. So be happy, stay active, and be positive for all these changes rather than feeling guilt about it. It is really a great blessed life from your God side, that you are able to see these changes and you are able to really have such a beautiful life. So be grateful, that's very important, with a positive mindset. try to look for all the positive things, not even, I'm not talking about the major things, but a bit of small things in your life which can really give you happiness and can make you feel blessed. Take care. Stay healthy.